Let's make a sprout scramble for breakfast. A little olive oil, some sprouts, some multicolored bell peppers, some habanero, and you can add some eggs, some black pepper, a little bit of seasoning. You don't know. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Get out a nice clean plate. Get your stuff, put it on the plate, make it look presentable. Even if you're by yourself, you want your food to look good. Ew, look like it tastes nice. Scrape out the pot. No left none in there. Watch how it looks nice and healthy. Nice and healthy. Turn off the stove, girl. The stove's still on. The pot's still sizzling. Slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. Bad. Burn out my blood. Ah, Jesus.